and welcome to part 3 of the online learning module. You're going to go ahead and go to content and click on part 3. And this is the main page for part 3. We are going to go ahead and start with task 1. You will click on task 1. We are going to use a program called Let's Recap for this part of part 3. You are going to click on Let's Recap, and you are going to enter the code that was in task 1. The code is right here. So we're going to go ahead and copy and have that. So when you click on Let's Recap, this is what it looks like. And you will paste that code in here and then click Sign In. So for task 1, once you're on this screen, this is all of our classes, all of our students. So you will click on your student number, and then this is how you will use this program, Let's Recap. Your question, I've already answered this one, but you will have a question, and you will have your question is right here, and you will click Respond Now, and it will actually record you answering your question. So just follow each of these steps. There are step-by-step directions, and then once you have finished that, you're going to move on to task 2. Task 2 of part 3. Let's see. It is going to give you the chance to demonstrate your learning. Once again, we are going to use Padlet, if you remember how to use Padlet from part 1. So all you're going to do is double click in here, and you're going to answer this question right here. So it says, please create a new post and write all of the important things that you have learned throughout this module. So you're going to double click, and you will give it a title, which should be the same as mine. So it will say reflection, and then you're going to answer that question right here. Once you have finished this, you're going to move on to task 3. Now, task 3 is easy. It's just a quick little survey that you're going to, I have already answered the survey, that's why mine is not showing up right here. So once you, that should all show up right here. You're going to go through the survey, and once you have finished that, you are completely finished with the online learning module, so you can move on to the conclusion. I hope you've enjoyed this class. Please let me know if you have any questions.